Okay, hello. Today I wanted to video demo my project Cyber Tickets. This is just on my portfolio. I'm going to click the link here. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is go up here to our MetaMask and sign in. And then we're going to want to make sure that we are connected to the Mumbai test network, as that is where the contract is deployed. And if you're not connected to this, you won't be able to interact with the contract. Okay, so now we're going to connect to the website by clicking connect. This will connect our public ID to the website so that we can interact with the smart contract. And this is just the landing page of the tickets. So if we want to go to buy and return, we can see a little seating diagram here. We already have one seat that I bought earlier, and our ticket is just down here, ticket 1. But let's say we want to buy another ticket. So we'll go ahead and select the seat here. As you can see, when we select it, the buy icon lights up so that we can go ahead and hit buy. And it's going to launch your MetaMask plugin. And it's going to add your gas to the price of the ticket, in which case the price of the ticket is 0.05, just for testing purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm here. Now we're just going to wait until that transaction goes through. Okay, then the page will refresh and we'll reconnect. As you can see, now we have 2 seats here. So we have ticket 1 and ticket 8. I also created the contract to reject anyone that's trying to buy any more than 2 tickets. So if we try to buy a third one here, and we try to hit buy, the application isn't even going to register that we are trying to buy this ticket. Since we already have 2, we won't be allowed to buy a third one. And that's listed in our FAQ down here. Now, say we don't want this ticket anymore, and we want to return it back to the contract owner. This provides an easy way to return tickets without the hassle of having to find someone to buy them for you. All refunded tickets are refunded at 80% of their face value, sort of a processing fee. So we're going to go ahead and return this ticket because we don't want 2 seats that are so far apart from each other. So we're going to go ahead and click return. And since we're returning it, the only thing we're going to be paying is the gas fee. So we are going to be paying a very small amount here. So we'll go ahead and send that through. And we'll look at our balance here. We're at 1 point. See, our balance just jumped about 0.4, which is 80% of the price of the ticket. So it's working as intended. We have been refunded, and we have lost our ticket here. If we reconnect, we only have 1 ticket. And if we want to buy another ticket for whoever we're going with, we can just go ahead and buy the one next to us now. Now that we don't have 2, the contract will let us interact with it again. So we'll go ahead and buy this, and we'll wait for the transaction to be processed. And now we have our 2 tickets right next to each other so we can sit with our friend. So when you buy a ticket from this application, the ticket is going to become soulbound to your wallet address. And you may ask, what does that mean? Basically, it means that you can only do 2 things with your ticket. You can either hold on to it until the event and use it, or you can return it to the contract creator at 80% of its price. You may ask, why do we do this? And the reason is we don't want customers to be able to inflate the price of the tickets and then resell them to other buyers. By having them soulbound, there will be no price manipulation outside of our contract. So all the tickets, when you purchase them, will always be the same price. I also opted to use the Polygon network as we're just simply trading event tickets. We don't really want to pay the high gas fee that the Ethereum network charges each time. But on the Polygon network, gas fees only equate to a maximum of like 2 to 3 cents. Which is very beneficial, especially if you're trying to sell out a large theater. You don't want to have your customers paying additional service charges and convenience fees as they're trying to get their event tickets that they want to go. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video demo of my project Cyber Tickets.